guys, I'm Wolfie with Chris Cassoulet, and we are here in the tent of Master Chef King Cook, checking out some of the menu items the stars will be dining on this weekend at the Oscars. So check it out.
Well, I think this year I want to have a big party instead of having a very, sit-down dinner, black tie affair, or whatever. We have a menu where everybody has something to eat. If you're a vegan, we have a great vegan dishes. If you like fish, we're going to have a great Thai-style steamed fish. We're going to have lobster with black bean and garlic. We're going to have chicken pot pie. We're going to have potato with caviar. We're going to have tortellinis with chestnut and black truffle. So a lot of variety all on small plates. So you can taste whatever you want. If you just like want to eat a little bit, have potatoes with caviar, eat 4 of them.
What's your favorite item on the menu this year?
I don't know yet. It's too early to say which one comes out best. But it's not what is my favorite. I like them all. It's like having children. We make the best from all of our different restaurants. How can you compare a potato with caviar or a Kobe steak or a Szechuan style lobster with black beans and garlic? So they're all so different, but all are the best quality.
Do you have a sweet tooth?
Huh?
Do you have a sweet tooth?
I have a total sweet tooth. So we have a lot of desserts from chocolate soufflés to financier, and also my favorite is the macaroons. So we have macaroons in different colors, different flavors, different tastes.
And the films this year, any favorites that you'd like to see win? Anyone?
You know what? I think I did not see one of the movies. Just my feeling is that Arthur might win for best film and Spielberg for best director. So we'll see if I'm right or not. And we had Haneke for Amour for best foreign movie.
And you've been doing this for years, so all of these celebrities, I'm sure they're close friends of yours, they come into the restaurant. Who are some people that are regulars?
Well, we have most of the people come to our restaurants all the time. I mean, from the older ones to the younger ones, they all like sparkles. So I think to me, to mention just one and I forget another one, it would be a problem.
So what's the funnest part about this every year?
What do you say?
The funnest part about this every year?
The funnest part is when it's over and I open a good bottle of champagne or a good bottle of wine and just hang out with all of our chefs.
So tell us about what goes into the preparation of all of this.
Well, we started this morning on all the preparation, so we do what we can, all the salmon that gets smoked, everything we can do now we do, but Wolf will only let us start cooking the day of.
And
Today and tomorrow all about chopping and dicing and getting everything ready. Sunday's the day we can cook.
So the preparation begins now. The races are off.
Race is off. Smoked salmon we started about 2 weeks ago just to get enough. We have to smoke about 400 pounds of salmon, so it takes a while.
And some of the salmon is all the food local, or are you flying it in from anywhere?
It's wild salmon, but every piece of produce and all the fish comes from the local markets, and all the produce comes from all the farmers markets.
And tell us about the theme this year. What are we looking at?
The theme is more of a party theme this year, not a sit-down dinner. So we try to get everybody a little everything. We have from hors d'oeuvres to desserts over 55 different items. So there's some comfort food in there, and then there's some more modern takes on Japanese baby peaches and different way to serve smoked salmon. So
how do you guys handle special requests? If someone's a vegetarian or vegan?
We have 15 vegan options on the menu that everybody gets offered. Vegetarians, the same thing, and then we go right from pork to beef to shrimp, so that we do everything.
So do you keep a special list of, like, say, Angelina Jolie would like...
sheet, and it's posted on the kitchen wall, where they're sitting, and what their likes and dislikes. So
you get to know them pretty intimately then, what they like to eat.
This will be my 18th year, our 19th year as a company, so we know all the restrictions, plus we feed them all the time at all the restaurants. So
what's the best part about this job?
Oh, the best part is excitement. I mean, it's not a job, it's more of a lifestyle, you get to cook for all the who's who in Hollywood and have the best boss there is.
What's most fun, or what are some of the favorite items that you like?
Favorite items, everybody loves the potatoes and caviar and the chicken pot pie with black truffles. Every time we take it off, they complain, so we just leave it on now this will be the 15th year.
Oh, it's a regular on the menu then, huh?
They love it.
What about some of the desserts?
Desserts? This year it's all about lavender. That's the color of the room. So it's all lavender things, from lavender candies to lavender ice cream to smokes. We do our chocolate gold dusted Oscars, 5,000 of them. So there's a lot of desserts the same way. There's vegan desserts and there's and something for everybody.
How big is the team?
We have 300 cooks and 600 waiters and wait staff between bar and servers.
And tell us your role, your title, and your name, sir.
I'm the executive chef. My name is Matt Benzavanga.
Thank you so much.